In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine and blend photos in Canva. To get started, open your Canva design so you're working on the canvas where you want the final blended image to appear. This can be a new design or an existing project. The important thing is that you're inside the editor and ready to arrange your photos. Next, upload the photos you want to combine. Once they're available in Canva, place one image on your canvas and then position the second image on top of the first so that they overlap. The overlap is what creates the blended effect, so don't worry about getting it perfect right away. At this stage, you're simply stacking the images in the order you want to work with. After that, select the top photo. This is important because the transparency adjustment needs to be applied to the image that's sitting above the other one. When the top image is selected, you'll be able to control how much of the bottom image shows through. Now go to the top toolbar and click Transparency, which is represented by the checkerboard icon. This tool lets you reduce the opacity of the selected image, making it partially see-through. It's one of the easiest ways to create a soft photo blend in Canva without using advanced editing tools. Once the transparency panel opens, lower the transparency by dragging the slider to the left, or by typing in a specific value. A useful range is around 40 to 70%, because that usually gives you enough visibility from the image underneath while still keeping the top photo clearly recognizable. If you want a subtler blend, stay closer to the higher end. If you want both images to merge more evenly, go lower until it looks right for your design. From there, adjust the size and position of both photos until the blend looks the way you want. You can move them slightly, resize one or both images, and experiment with how much each photo overlaps. This step makes a big difference, because even small changes in placement can completely change the final visual effect. Take a moment to line up the most important parts of each photo, so the result feels balanced and intentional. And that's it. By layering one image over another and reducing the transparency of the top photo, you can create a simple and effective blended photo look in Canva. It's quick, beginner-friendly, and a great technique for posters, mood boards, social graphics, or creative presentations.